So welcome to this channel. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can place withdrawal from your GmailFarmerPro. Okay. Now if you're hearing about this particular platform for the first time, which is GmailFarmerPro, I actually made a video explaining how it actually works. Now this particular project claims to award and reward users who actually go ahead doing their tasks. Now the only task on this platform is for you to submit emails. The only thing you have to do right on this platform is to create email for this company, and they are going to be rewarding you for that. Now they are going to be providing you with the details you are meant to use to create this email. So for you to get proper understanding on how it works, you can go ahead to watch the other video I made about this, or you can actually come right here and click on register a new email and follow the prompt to see the task right here, and you are going to be rewarded once you have done the task. So however, before we proceed to this video, if you're coming across the channel for the first time or you're hearing this voice for the first time, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. So without no much talk, let's dive into the business of today. So what you just want to do right here, you can actually see that I've been referring and I've been earning on this platform. So what you just want to do to place withdrawal is to come right here and click on this menu button. Most times to ask you to click on start, so you just go ahead to click on start. Now once you click on start, these options are going to be coming out where you can actually see the register a new Gmail, my account, balance, my referral rank, and help. Now in my other videos, I've actually made detailed explanation on how this platform works and how you can take advantage of it. Now I'm going to be making this video because I want to show you how you can actually place withdrawal on your account. Now to place withdrawal on your account, you can actually see where it says your balance. Now it is only through your balance that you can actually place withdrawal on. Okay, so right here, just go ahead to click on the balance option, and you're going to be seeing the total balance you have and the funds you also have withhold. Okay, so you are also going to be seeing the payouts and the balance history. That is if you have been placing withdrawal on this platform. Okay, so come right here and click on payout. So once you click on payouts, they are going to be asking you if you actually want to withdraw using your BEP20 or your USDT. So what you just need to do is to go ahead to create an account on your Bybit or any other crypto wallet. I've made videos on that on this channel. So if you actually want to watch that and get to create your own account, you can actually comment on this video, and I'm going to be sending you a link to watch that and to create your own. There's a particular video I made which is very simple, and you can convert any earnings you've withdrawn from your account to the crypto account. You can actually withdraw it through Naira. So what we are going to be doing right here is to paste our wallet address, but before that you need to select which method you want to use to withdraw. Is it the BEP20 or the USDT tone? So right here we are going to be clicking on the USDT tone like this. So once you click on that, it says please reply with your USDT BEP20 wallet. So what is meant right here is that you need to paste your BEP20 wallet. It can be your Bybit, it can be your Binance, it can be anywhere, but make sure the wallet you're sending right here is actually the BEP20 wallet. If you go ahead to send any other message, you're going to be losing this particular chat. So what you just need to send is only the BEP20 wallet address. So what you just need to do is to go over to your Bybit or your Binance to copy your BEP20 wallet address. And so right now, this is my Bybit account. So what I just need to do is to come down to deposit, and you're going to be seeing deposit crypto. So click on that. So come down right here and select the USDT. Okay, then you're going to be seeing BEP20 and every other network. So click on the BEP20, then copy your wallet address. You just have to slide this to confirm, then copy your BEP20 wallet address. So once you've copied this, just go over to the platform and come right here and paste your BEP20 wallet address. Okay, so right here you can see available balance is actually 0.22. The withdrawal fee is 0.00%. Minimum withdrawal is 0.10. Okay, enter the amount you want to withdraw. So this is the breakdown. So they actually told you that the available balance you have is $0.22, and the minimum withdrawal right here is actually 0.10. So if you have from 0.10 upward, you can go ahead to place your withdrawal. So I'm going to come right here and put in 0.22. Okay, and I'm going to click on send. So you can see request sent. Amount 0.22 has been sent. You can actually see that. Okay, so your request is pending approval. So what they just need to do is to approve this, and once they approve it, I'm going to be having these funds into my Bybit account. So that is how you can actually place withdrawal on this GmailFarmerPro. Okay, now immediately I checked my Bybit account. I already saw the funds credited into my wallet address. You can see right here that I was funded with $0.22 US dollar. So that is to show you that this particular Gmail Farmer Pro is actually legit and is actually paying. So you can go ahead to use the link on the pinned comment section to set up an account for yourself. However, thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood and got value from this video, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. It is always advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group. You can find the link on the pinned comment section, where we actually show you some specific ways you can use to leverage online in today's world. So see you on my next video and keep winning.